So guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have decided to make a video on how you can trade the 9 AM CRT candle. So if you want to learn how you can trade the 9 AM CRT candle, then this video is actually for you. Alright, so I've actually done an extensive videos on how you can trade the CRT pattern, and I've given you the time for the CRT. So last week I posted the video on 5 AM CRT candle. So after much requests I've gotten from the video, I've decided to drop another hidden gem video on how you can trade the 9 AM CRT candle. So the 9 AM CRT candle is a powerful CRT that it's easy to trade, unlike the 5 AM and the 3 AM CRT candle. Why? Because as at 9 AM you've already know what your 5 AM candle has formed, your 3 AM candle has formed, so it's very simple for you to trade the 9 AM CRT candle, because you already know what London session has done already. You've gotten your high of the day and you've gotten your low of the day in a normal day. So for the 9 AM CRT candle now is a candlestick that is very easy for you to trade. So I'm going to give you if you want to know how you can trade it, then you need to watch this video to the end, because I'm going to be giving you a step-by-step guide on how you can trade the 9 AM CRT candle. Right, so trading the 9 AM CRT candle is very easy. All you need to do is you need to look at your London session. What has the market done? Has the high of the day been given? Has the low of the day been given? Now for this particular trade, this is volatility 25. I've gotten my low of the day. If you see very well, this is 3:33 p.m., which is my 9 AM due to my time zone. Right, so due to my night time zone. So 9 AM CRT candle is more or less like my New York session, based on the region that I falls to, Nigeria. So the 9 AM CRT candle is very powerful, very powerful. As a matter of fact, if you just study your 9 AM CRT candle alone, is enough to retire you earlier from your 9 to 5 job, right? 9 to 5 jobs. So the rules is very easy. I might not go extensively into it in this video, but I've actually compiled a step-by-step videos on my channel. I'm going to be dropping the link in the description of this video about CRT from beginning to the advanced level. Everything you need to know about CRT candle, how you can trade it, the rules you should follow, the time frames, the time alignments, what you need to look at. I've done it extensively video on it. I'm dropping the link of that video in the video description of this particular video, so you can see I'm actually measuring my range. So the first thing I need to do is that I need to look at my London session. I've seen my London session form, right? I've seen my London session form. So I look at each range, right? As a matter of fact, when taking trade in 9 AM for your 9 AM CRT candle. Now this is my 1 minute time frame. Look at, I've actually measured the range. You can see that I'm at my premium area, right? So on a bigger time frame now, you'll see that the range that I measure is actually a week at an higher time frame, right? You can see it's actually a week at an higher time frame. So that alone is giving me confirmation that okay, there's possibility that the reversal might occur, right? And if you look at very well, that particular candle, if the volume there is very ambiguous, so let me say that we have a very big volume, which shows they just use it to grab liquidity, because by the time the close of that candle is closing back inside the wick of the 3-minute time frame and the 5-minute time frame. You can see from this other side, you can see those other side that the last 5-minute candle that we have actually closed back inside the range of the previous one, which is telling you that's the liquidity crap, right? That's the what? That's the liquidity graph. So all things being equal, the retracement might start back, right? The retracement might start back, right? And obviously very well on that 5 minute time frame, I've gotten back to my what? To my return to order block, right? Return to order block. Then I'm measuring the what? The higher time frame dealing range now, which is my 1 hour dealing range, right? Which is my 1 hour dealing range. You can see that I'm still in what? In discount. In my 1 hour time frame, I'm still in discount. So I'm still expecting some kind of what? Some kind of a uptrend, a bullish trend down to the area. But while I'm still waiting for that, I'm just trying to modify my position. I'm trying to modify my position, adjust my stop loss and my take profit, so that I will manage my trade very well, right? So you can see we tap the 50% of that range. We've tapped the discount, the equilibrium. So I'm expecting a continuation in that uptrend. You can see we tap the daily range that I have now. We've reached the discount area of that area, and I've adjusted my take profit and my stop loss. I've managed my trade. So I'm just looking to see how. So this is the 345. So that would be my 2:45 a.m. in my London Eastern time, right? In my Eastern time, you can see the reaction that we'll have there. So as a matter of fact, guys, if you master this 9 AM CRT candle, is a big game changer. It's a big game changer. That's all you need to watch. You need to master. It's a big game changer. You can see. You just need to master the 9 AM candle. Be patient. It will come to your the market will come to your POI. Just know where you need to you need to be getting out of the trade. It's very, very simple. Very, very simple. The 9 AM candle is a very powerful powerful CRT you can use to retire earlier from your 9 to 5 job. So guys, if you want me to go extensively on this 9 AM CRT candle, then drop in the comment section that you need me to you need more videos on the 9 AM candle. As a matter of fact, I have shifted from trading the London session down to the 9 AM candle, because the 9 AM candle is very, very easy. It's very, very easy. Very, very easy, because you've seen the pattern already. So most of the time it's going to be a continuation or a reversal. So for you to know whether it's going to be a continuation or a reversal, you will see from your London session. When the market has done, you take it up from there. So guys, if you are yet to subscribe if you find this video very helpful and you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do hit to hit on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification, so that you still updated each time I'm dropping a new comment. And if there's anything you don't understand, drop it in the comment section. I would definitely answer and get back to you. And if you want to know more about my premium, my class, then you can actually DM me. You find the link, my personal DM, in the description of this video. Until the next time, I'm going to be crossing your path. Remain focused and remain profitable. Stay profitable. Trading should be fun. If you want to know more about my bread and butter, kindly it's on the description. You get to know about it. So remain profitable. Until the next time, I'll be crossing your